Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you guys my no makeup look, but first I am going to start with my lip scrub, and I'll use about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix both together till they are evenly combined, and then transfer this into this thing here, this little jar, and this is what the lip scrub looks like using only sugar and olive oil. And I'll use this to scrub my lips. I do this step whenever I notice my lips are dry and cracked. I use a lip scrub. This is my DIY lip scrub using sugar and olive oil, and I use circular motions to scrub my lips and then take my baby wipes to wipe off the sugar, and then move on to my lip balm, and I apply my lip balm all over my lips, and now my lips are moisturized and soft. This is my everyday routine whenever I am going for a no makeup look. So I pick up my aloe vera, just this little bit here, and then I'll cut the leaf open, and you can see the gel. I'll use the gel to lay down my edges. I have the Eco Style black castor and flaxseed oil gel, but it has never worked for me. It doesn't seem to lay down my edges, so I discovered the aloe vera, and I've been using the aloe vera and I have been loving it ever since. So I'll use the aloe vera to lay down my edges, and also use the aloe vera to add some curves to my hair, as you can see, and then use my fingers to remove any lumps that my hair created so that everything is smooth and straight. And the aloe vera dries really fast compared to the Eco gel. I also use the aloe vera gel as my DIY brow gel, and I apply this on my eyebrows, brushing it upwards. Moving on to the no makeup look, I'll start with my eyebrow, and I'll be using a black pencil to line the bottom of my brows and also to line the top of my eyebrows, and then connect the two lines together. I am using a very light hand for this so that the eyebrows do not come out harsh. I am going to apply my mascara on my brows to fill in the sparse areas on my eyebrows. If your brows are fuller than mine, then you can definitely use a black mascara and a black pencil only, but my brows are really sparse, so I have to go over it again with a black pencil just to fill in the sparse areas using hair-like strokes. Now I am going to use my spoolie brush to brush out any harsh line. Moving on to foundation, I'll be using just a pump of my foundation because I am going for a no makeup look, so I need just a pump, and I'll apply this on the areas of my face where I need it the most. I will also apply whatever is left on my beauty sponge on my eyes. I am going to use my foundation and my beauty sponge to clean the bottom of my eyebrows and also the top of my brows. So I'll use my beauty sponge to carve my eyebrows. This step is just going to make the eyebrows more defined. If you are a beginner and you know you can't use your beauty sponge to do this step, you can definitely use your flat brush, your concealer brush, or an angled brush to do this step. I'll be using my favorite pressed powder at the moment to set my makeup. I'll just apply enough to set my face and not too much. I'll pick up my favorite blush, and it is the Glam's Makeup blush, and I'll apply this on my eyelids just to give my eyes a little bit of color, and I'll use my finger to apply this on my eyes, and I'll be very careful and apply just a little bit of pressure, just enough to blend the blusher into my eyelid and also into my crease. I'll just apply a little bit of this because it is really pigmented. So I'll take my time to really blend this out into my eye, into my crease. And again, if you don't want to use your fingers like I am doing here, you can definitely use your blending brush. But if you don't have a blending brush, then do feel free to use your fingers. And I'll also apply that same blush on my cheeks just to give my face a little bit of color and definition. And now I'm going to apply mascara on my natural lashes because we are trying to keep this look really natural and we want that no makeup effect. We are not going to apply any false lashes. So we are keeping it natural. Now moving on to my lips, I am going to pick up this pretty red lipstick here and I'll use my fingers again. I love using my fingers for my makeup, and I'll just pick up a bit with my fingers and then dab this on my lips. So I'm just being very careful not to apply too much, and then pick up my brown pencil to just imitate the natural colors on my lips, which we have a little bit of red and brown, I think. So I'm just doing this on my lips, and then I'll use my fingers again to blend in the lip liner. So here is the no makeup look that I did, and it looks beautiful. My edges are laid and I look like I applied nothing on my face, but only you guys know that for sure. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.